Hello, in this video we are going to cover regular expressions in Java, also known as regex. So regular expression is basically a way of checking for something, and we don't actually need this import, so we can get rid of this import. We will need a import, but just not that one. Okay, so yeah, a regular expression allows you to, let's say, check the format of something, or check if something, occurs in a sequence in a string, for example. So the import that we need is import java.util.regex and just put asterisk, so just gets everything from there. And that's it for the import side. So what we'll do, first of all, you put pattern, and we'll call this pat equals, and you do pattern.compile. And in here we're gonna do a pattern so it finds, let's say, just one character, and that's gonna be the pattern. And so what we just put is dot, and let's say the character is, I'll do F because that's the first letter of my name. And now you need to create a matcher, and I'll call this mat. Got names everywhere here. So we do pat.matcher. So this is one way of doing it. There's actually a few different ways of doing it. So this is one way. So pat.matcher, and this is basically what you want to check for. I mean, this is the string that you want to check. So if I check for, Farhan, which is my name, and then let's say if we do boolean, and we say result1 equals mat.matches, and then if we do system.out.println, and if we run it, if we do result1, run this little bad boy, and it's saying false. Sorry, my bad. That is totally weird. Why the matcher is not finding it in there? So let's have a look. So we got pattern, we call it pattern.compile, and we got .f. So let's change it back to a lowercase. Sorry, I put the dot there, so it means there will be something before it. So if I put it like that, what is happening today? My mind is all over the place. That is, like, extremely strange. Okay. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, sorry. Let's try with a lowercase f just to make sure. Okay, so it is case sensitive. Seem to have forgot that, and I forgot, like, I was coming from another language where the regex can be like, if you put something like, let's say, like a dot or an asterisk, it just means there's something before it, but this needs to specify the exact number of characters before or after. So you could, let's say if I change that to an A, still prints out true, but if I change this to, I don't know, G, so it's like Farhan, it does not work. So let's just change this back. So that's one way of doing it, and another way of doing it, so this is first method, second method, and I'll do the second and third one together so you can see a different way. So you create another boolean, so that's going to store the result of if the match is successful or not. So I'll call it result2 equals, and what you do is pattern.compile, and then you put exactly the same thing as here, and I'll copy just to make sure I don't make a mistake. And then you do .matcher, Then you specify the string. I'm sure I can spell my name correctly. I did first time, which is awesome. Dot matches. So this is basically the same thing as before, but it's all in line now. System.out.println. First method is great if you're going to be using, let's say, these things somewhere else, but this is great if you just want something quick, easy, and you want to reduce the amount of code. So both of them return true, as rightfully they should. The other option, and this is a lot simpler, and this is probably what you'll see more likely, and so we do boolean result3 equals pattern. You just do matches. You specify the actual format first, so the regular expression. So f dot 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 dot, and now you specify the string. If we run it, I haven't printed it out, so I need to do system.out.println result3, and if we run it, we get true as well. So this is the preferred method for most people. So what I want you to do as an extra task is write a bunch of extra regular expressions. It doesn't matter which method you use. Probably use this one just because it's easier and faster to do, but like write a variety of different ones with characters before, after, characters in between, uppercase, lowercase, maybe even go a step further. Check out the video that we did on console input and get some input from the user, and then check if it is a valid format. So that's it for regular expressions. There's a lot more formatting that you can do, but this is the essence of it. What I will actually do is provide you with a link that shows you all the different facets of regular expressions in Java. Feel free to check that out and do some more experimentation. And I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Java video.